Took his bait. They're robbing his ass. See, he got the weight on the top. I like putting my weight on the bottom. Like that. That way that'll sit on the oyster shells down there and my hook's floating right above it. Oh yeah, bring you some iron leaders. You have some fun. Oh, they fun reeling in. Hey, catch the big monster sharks, garfish, and the big reds all in one spot right now. What's going on, bro? Slaughtering the drumfish right next to the dock. I'm gonna show the fish in a little while. Oh yeah, that should work.
No heads, no nothing.
Come on, you got the eating shrimp. That's what they use for bait. That's trading up though. You trade shrimp like that for some drumfish. What do you have over there? You got some nice ones.
You got 3 nice ones.
3 nice ones. He just started 2. Oh look, he's real broke. Something broke. Sound real bad. Yeah, he's killing the catfish and all.
Nah, it's middle bias catfish.
Yeah, I know. They told him. Oh yeah, we should have some shrimp. When you going shrimping? Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's going shrimping tomorrow, my partner.
Friday we'll have
Lifestyle Savage. He be doing the oystering thing. You can look him up on here.
You just need a hashtag at the bottom. Like however you write the title, what you doing.
I don't know how to do that.
Oh.
I don't know how to do nothing. You figure it out, we do it though. Look, he's gonna catch one right there. Gotta watch out, we're gonna be flying weights now. What's up with you, bro? Why, you gonna get a fish or get robbed? One of the two. Oh. What, your weights on the top too?
Bottom.
Oh yeah. Look, just right there. Watch. Look, he got one. Yanked him. Yanked him. Yanked him. That's a nice one. Yanked him. Look, just right there. He's gonna either lose his bait. He's either gonna lose his bait or catch one. One of the two. You gotta watch too. This is oyster reef down here. Yeah. That was a nice one too. That's 4 of them like that he got. He must have some strong string on there, huh? He ain't that bitch clean. Watch, I'm gonna be catching them on this and watch the difference. I'm just not fishing right now. I'm gonna do it in a minute though. Shit, I ain't even gonna lie to you. I only come fishing this spot right here and I'll go bank fishing these days. Every time you put the line in the water, it's either you're gonna lose a bait or catch a drum about 16 to 20 inches. Every day. Every day. This is a great fishing spot too. We fish here every day. Oh, there's no doubt. We're gonna mess with the drums for a while, but we're gonna start going hit them reds. Watch, he just threw it in. Watch, he just threw it in. Watch it this. He's either gonna lose his bait or catch one. You need a boat to get to the reds. They got a few here. Look, look, look. Look at that boy. Man, y'all gotta give me some likes for that right there, man. Oh, look. Got it. Watch when I catch one with this little pole. I'm gonna do that in a little bit, man. I'm trying to get to at least, you know. Right now we messing with the drum.
You want that?
Look. Then look, he got one in his hand over there. Tell him about this is the spot. Shit, you got a boat, Gator Town? Bring me and my partner. We'll go show you some spots. Look at that. Flinging them on the thing. Keep that one. Show me you gonna keep that one and make a sandwich out of that. Not true, y'all. We're gonna get that out of there. Let's get that out. We get that out. That was funny though. You want that?
No way.
Look, you just threw in again. Watch this. You just threw in again. Lose a bait to catch one. That's how it go around here. Oh, lost his bait. I'm telling you, I'm about to catch one.
You know good.
I'm about to catch one with this.
You gotta catch that on the lip, not in the mouth, not in the gut.
You gotta finger that fish in the mouth. What's up with you, big head? What's good? Hey, bro, watch how good the fish are biting, dude. Look, he just dropped it in right there. Hey, you're gonna lose a bait to catch a fish right there, I'm telling you. I've been keeping this spot a secret. I ain't wanna show people we got it like that, you know, down here. Yeah, bro. I just started showing people this spot. I ain't want them to know how good we had it, you know. That'd be kind of like bragging and showing off or something. Hell yeah. I've been doing this since I was a kid in these parts. I still tie my fishing line the same way your daddy showed me, bro. From when I was a kid. That's the only way I tie it. What? Put it in there. Let's see what kind of. See what we catch. Oh. Look. Oh, you got one?
Only $1, yeah. Only $1.
Come on, man. I never stopped fishing though.
That's a hook.
You know, I stay fishing. When they hit it right there. Well, watch when I put that little line on that ass.
That's he need. You get that little hook in
I
there.
will. I'm gonna put that
Get this
little one
shit
on.
out the way so we can start playing with the good shit.
Huh?
You gotta get that little shit out the way.
Shit, that's a nice little bite right there. That's a nice one. Oh.
Had to break out the cane pole tomorrow. Friday.
Thank y'all. Appreciate that. Thank y'all. Well, everybody catch one real quick. Every cast, you ain't waiting long. It's either going to take your bait or you got to fish. I'm talking about 30 seconds maybe. Let's see. It's going already?
Nope.
Oh. That's like the 30-second bite, bro. Just chilling, bro. Fucking around with some drumfish. Look how close they fishing to the dock. They got an oyster reef right here. And when the water goes up, you fish on this side of the reef. When the water goes down, you fish on this side of the reef. Don't pay no mind to the sign. It's all good. Look, took his bait just like that. Look, took his bait just like they robbing him. Oh no, he caught a little oyster fish. Little oyster fish.
You eat?
Good eating. Yeah, we in Pointe-aux-chenes, bro, by Percy's old dog. Yeah, we just chilling. Yeah, we just chilling, bro. Oh, they doing good, bro. I just left from over there.